Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS button hover effects. Let's start to code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is CSS button hover effects. Inside the body, we want to add a div, and inside this we want to add two spans. Copy this span and paste it. And we want to type button. Save the file. Refresh. The button is visible now. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin is 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Save the file. Refresh. The button is okay now. Let's start to style our body. Inside this we want to add display, flex and justify content center, align item center and height is 100 VH and width was 100%. And we want that background color #262626FF. Save the file. Refresh. The background color is okay. Let's start to style our div. Inside this, display is flex, justify content center, align item center and we want that position, that was relative, and height is 100 pixel, width 300 pixel, and we want to add font size, that was 50 pixel, font weight is bold and font family is cursive and font color is white. Border radius is 50 pixel and we want to add box shadow, that was 1 pixel, 60 pixel and color is black and cursor is pointer. Overflow hidden. Save the file. Refresh. We want to add some space between letters and in this line we want to add letter spacing 1 pixel. Save the file. Refresh. Space is enough. Let's start to style our span. Inside this we want to add display block and position is absolute, height is 10 pixel and width 10 pixel and we want to add background color, that was #00FF21FF and we want to add Z index, that was -1. Save the file. Refresh. The span is visible. Let's create span nth child 1 and inside this we want to add bottom 0 and left 0 and width was 50%. Copy this nth child 1 and paste it one time. We want to change this child 2 and this is right. Save the file. Refresh. That was okay. Let's create div hover. Inside this we want to add transition property, that was all, and transition delay was 1.5 seconds and transition timing function, that was linear, and we want to add box shadow 1 pixel, 60 pixel and copy this background color and paste it and copy this line and paste it one time. And let's create div hover span. Inside this we want to add animation name was anim and duration is 1.5 second, linear forwards. Let's create our animation keyframes and animation name anim. Inside this we want to add 25% and transform is rotate 45 degree, and we want to add height, that was 25% and width was 100%. Copy this 25% and paste it 3 times, and this was 50% and the degree was 90 degree and height 50%. We want to change this 75, 180 degree, and this is 75. Change this 100 and 360, and lastly we want to change this 100%. Save the file, refresh. This is nice hover effect. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.